Hello and welcome to Global Finance Watch. Investing your money doesn't mean you have to compromise your values. Socially responsible investing is exploding right now, with experts predicting it'll be a $50 trillion field in the next 20 years. I've been researching how to make money while supporting causes I care about. And here's what I've learned. SRI isn't just good for your conscience. It's actually good for your wallet, too. Research shows these investments often generate strong returns because socially responsible companies typically have lower risk profiles and better governance. The best part? You can tailor your investments to match exactly what you care about. Passionate about climate action? Invest in clean energy. Care about gender equality? There are funds specifically focused on companies with diverse leadership. To get started, first decide which causes matter most to you. The United Nations has 17 Sustainable Development Goals, covering everything from clean energy to racial equality to affordable housing. Pick the ones that align with your personal values. For beginners, mutual funds or ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are the easiest way to go. They let you diversify smaller amounts of money across multiple companies. Look for funds that explicitly state they analyze environmental, social, and governance factors before investing. If there's an industry you absolutely don't want to support, like fossil fuels or weapons manufacturing, look for funds that use negative screening to exclude these businesses completely. Not sure which funds align with your values? Use resources like As You Sow, where you can enter a fund's ticker symbol and instantly see how it performs across various social impact measures. For individual stocks, Sustainalytics can help you research each company's ESG performance. If this still sounds overwhelming, consider finding a financial advisor with ESG experience. They can help balance your desire to do good with your need to grow your portfolio. The bottom line is that socially responsible investing lets you make money while making a difference. With the right approach, you can build a portfolio that benefits both your future and the world's. Your investments are powerful. Use them to create the change you want to see.